Hi everyone, and if you're just joining us, my name is Ojurole Mojibola and you're welcome to Jibbyfemforte tutorial. Today I am going to be showing us how I finally bottomed this particular footwear. I remember I showed us how to do all of the other processes, but I never showed us how I finally do the cementing. So I'm going to briefly do that today. Now if you're just watching my channel for the first time, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you, just at the comfort of your home. Now in the month of June, we are going to be commencing a weekend class. Definitely we have always had the weekend class, so for the month of June is going to be exclusively on heels. Of course, we'll be drawing different patterns as well, but we're going to be learning how to create heels. Please go ahead and let me know in the comment section if you would love to know how to register for that class. Sit back and I'll be right. All right, now they are dry after applying the contact cement adhesive. Let's begin to position. Of course, we are still going to try to start from the back. So I'm going to be hammering this on my anvil. I actually met with a welder that did this for me, so it will help you to be able to hammer every side. So take your time to do this. You can see that I try to cushion the surface. It's actually made of iron with different shapes, so that it will not deform the inner part. You can remove this and then try to use this side just basically for this part. So take your time to do all of that, and then our shoe is ready. You can see, thank God I cushioned it, or else it will have given it that shape. You can see what we have right here. So it's time to wear our shoe and see what it looks like. Now we're going to still knit up all this extra gum that I'm seeing here. We're going to take time to actually knit them up. All right, thank you for joining me today. I know you're wondering, how do I clear all those gum that I do have? You can actually make use of your gum brush, the same brush you are using to apply the gum. Just place it on those sides. As you stick it to it, it will definitely remove. So join me tomorrow as I show you how to actually create this beautiful wedge sole for a child. Yes, for children. So join me tomorrow. I will see you then. Bye.